Hello everyone, this is your friend Olivia. Welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect AirPods 4 to your laptop quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, make sure your AirPods are in pairing mode. To do this, simply double-tap the indicator on the case. If pairing mode is activated, you'll see a white light indicator. Now, let's move to your computer screen. Click on the Start icon and go to Settings. From here, select Bluetooth and Devices. At the top of this section, click on Add Device. In the pop-up window, select Bluetooth. Now, your computer will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once you see your AirPods appear in the list, simply click on them to connect. And that's it. As you can see, my AirPods are now successfully connected to the PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Hunter for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.